Hey, what's up people? In today's video I'm holding two eggs in my hands. One is unboiled and the other one is boiled. And what's amazing, they both look the same outside and they both look alike. But when I try to break one, this one, you realize that this egg is fragile and this one is hard. But what makes these two different? This one is hard because it went through boiled water and fire, and this one is fragile just because it did not go through anything.
Oh my God.
We are naturally born when we are weak and fragile vessels, but the problems we face, the challenges of life to overcome, the fears we face in life, this is the life's molding mechanism of creating a strong generation. You look at the people in life who made a positive impact. People like Mike Jordan. It is said that he missed several shots before he became the NBA star. You look at the people like our Lord Jesus Christ. He was rejected, denied by his very own, but he became one of the famous people on this planet Earth. You look at the people like Nelson Mandela. He was imprisoned for several years before he became the president of South Africa. When you look at these people, they all have one thing in common. They all went through this life's molding mechanism of creating strong people.
My God.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
And that's why they came out when they are strong people. And that's why they make a positive impact in life. So everything you're going through in life, no matter how hot it is, no matter how challenging it is, just calm down, breathe in and then breathe out, and just relax and know that you're going through the life's molding mechanism of creating a strong person, independent but a dependable person.